In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your OneDrive files directly from Microsoft Teams. This is a super handy feature that allows you to seamlessly work with your files while chatting or collaborating with your team, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Microsoft account. This is where all the magic begins. Head over to the Microsoft login page and enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure to complete that process too. Ensuring you're logged in will grant you access to both Teams and OneDrive, setting the foundation for our next steps. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Office homepage. Now, look towards the upper left corner for the Apps Launcher icon. It resembles a grid, and clicking it will open a menu displaying all the Microsoft apps available to you. This is like your personal command center, giving you access to everything you need in one place. Next, find and click on the Teams app icon in that menu. This action will open Microsoft Teams, which should look pretty familiar if you've used it before. Teams is not only about video calls or chats, it integrates with other Microsoft services, making it an incredibly powerful tool for productivity. After you are inside Microsoft Teams, draw your attention to the left-hand side of the interface. You'll notice a vertical menu, and there should be a OneDrive icon among the options. This icon represents your gateway to accessing OneDrive files directly within Teams. It's strategically placed to provide easy and quick access to your stored documents, spreadsheets, and more. Now click on that OneDrive icon. Doing so will open your OneDrive file storage within Teams. You'll be able to see all your files just like you would if you accessed OneDrive from the web or desktop application. This seamless integration is what makes working within Microsoft's ecosystem such a fluid experience. Once you have your OneDrive open in Teams, you have the ability to access all your files right there. This means you can easily open, edit, and share documents with team members during discussions or meetings without ever having to leave the Teams environment. It's an efficient way to work that saves time and keeps your collaboration smooth and uninterrupted. And that's it, you now know how to access your OneDrive files directly from Microsoft Teams. This process not only enhances your productivity, but also helps maintain clarity and organization within your team's workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from learning this efficient way to manage files within Teams.